I love apple desserts, and this one kind of combines a dessert with a cookie because you can actually eat it with your fingers if you choose to. We're going to have the crust, the apples, and then a streusel topping. We're starting with our crust, melting butter, and adding some vanilla. To that, we're adding flour, sugar, and salt. Stir that up, and then put it into a parchment-lined baking dish. Press it down a little bit, and that will go into the oven for 15 minutes. While that's in the oven, we're going to get our apples ready. We're going to peel and slice 2. I'm using Granny Smith apples. Once those apples are sliced, we're going to put a combination of flour, sugar, some cinnamon, and a little bit of nutmeg. We're going to stir those into the apples, and then we'll set that aside. Now it's time for our streusel topping. We'll be using flour, oats, sugar, a little bit of cinnamon, and into that mixture we are going to cut cold butter. And we'll get that all cut up till it resembles coarse crumbs, and then we're going to set that aside as well. Once the crust is done baking, we're going to take that out of the oven and very carefully arrange the apple slices over the crust, pressing them in a bit, and then we're going to sprinkle it all with the streusel topping. That goes back into the oven for another 30 minutes. Once this comes out, we'll let it cool for 20 minutes and then refrigerate it for 2 hours. Then we'll come back and slice it into squares or into bars. I hope you give this excellent recipe a try this fall.